Hello, I'm Steve Dodds, Product Marketing Manager for Domino for Secondary Products. Today I'd like to show you our M230i Titan system and show you our 4S core values behind our design. So part of what our 4S contains is our size, a compact size that has a very small footprint. Number 2, we employ safety so that there's elimination of pinch points. Number 3, simplicity of design, where we incorporate a very easy user interface. And number 4, smarts and intelligence built in to make the machine run error-free. Compact size of the machine is really important when you're on the line because there's not a lot of extra space, but we don't compromise capacity. So we still have a 14-inch OD roll and we have a 600-meter ribbon. Allows the same capacity as the other units on the market, but in a much smaller footprint. Another one of our core 4S values is safety. Safety is paramount on a machine that runs autonomously. For our system, we've incorporated safety in our tamp pad. Any kind of collision detection, operator's hand or anything else will stop the machine from running, as well as a removal of a cover or an opening of the nip lever. These will all stop the machine from functioning and prevent an operator from getting further hurt. Another one of our 4S core design elements is simplicity. And simplicity comes in the form of preventative maintenance and ease of long-term maintenance. That's why we've made it so it's simple for our operators to work on this equipment and prevent unscheduled downtime. For ease of maintenance, with the back panel removed, it's easy to get to all the wear items such as belts, spring, and clutches. In order to get access to the printhead, we can move the tamp cylinder back, open up the printhead latch, and remove the magnetically coupled printhead. This allows for very easy replacement as well as easy cleaning and maintenance. Our last 4S core value is our smarts. What we do for intelligence on our tamp pad is to make sure that until we've arrived in the home position, we don't feed another label. And we do that with a sensor inside the actuator. We also incorporate an air pressure sensor that tells us if the air pressure is too low, so we don't try to extend the arm and have a potential collision with a product.